Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Hypotenuse AI. Hypotenuse AI is an AI-powered content generation platform primarily focused on assisting e-commerce businesses and marketers in creating various types of content efficiently and at scale. The key features include AI content generation, e-commerce focus, brand voice customization, image generation and enhancement, product data enrichment, SEO optimization, content detective, multilingual support, templates and workflows integration, and content rewriting and repurposing. So if you want to know more, you can go to hypotenuse.ai to know more about it.